listening to the EIB Network. On Fox Sports Radio. New tracks, new teams, new shit.
Wished on every star, but nothing I do got me closer to you. So I locked all my feelings inside. Then one night, across the crowded room, you looked my way. Your eyes held something new. Walked right up to me, smiled tenderly, and your words came as such a surprise.
A global biopharmaceutical company marking 10 years of commitment to science and innovation by helping people with serious medical conditions.